1. Who was the first woman to climb Mount Everest? A. Junko Tabai. B. Bikendri Pal. C. Santosh Yadav. D. Lakpa Sherpa. The correct answer is B. Bikendri Pal. 2. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Nile. B. Amazon. C. Yangtze. D. Mississippi. The correct answer is A. Nile. 3. What is the square root of 144? A. 11. B. 12. C. 13. D. 14. The correct answer is B. 12. 4. What is the name of the highest battlefield in the world? A. Siachen Glacier. B. Kargil. C. Nubra Valley. D. Tawang. The correct answer is A. Siachen Glacier. 5. What is the smallest continent by land area? A. Europe. B. Antarctica. C. Australia. D. South America. The correct answer is C. Australia. 6. Which fruit is rich in potassium? A. Apple. B. Banana. C. Mango. D. Grapes. The correct answer is B. Banana. 7. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? A. Nehru. B. Patel. C. Rajaji. D. Ambedkar. The correct answer is B. Patel. 8. What is the name of the famous space telescope? A. Chandra. B. Hubble. C. Kepler. D. James Webb. The correct answer is B. Hubble. 9. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? A. Gujarat. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Maharashtra. The correct answer is A. Gujarat. 10. What is the full form of ATM? A. Auto teller machine. B. Automated teller machine. C. Anytime money. D. Automatic transfer method. The correct answer is B. Automated teller machine. 11. Who is the current Chief Minister of West Bengal? A. Mamata Banerjee. B. Narendra Modi. C. Amit Shah. D. Rahul Gandhi. The correct answer is A. Mamata Banerjee. 12. What is the national reptile of India? A. Cobra. B. Monitor lizard. C. Gharial. D. Crocodile. The correct answer is A. Cobra. 13. Who was the first Indian to go into space? A. Kalpana Chawla. B. Sunita Williams. C. Rakesh Sharma. D. Vikram Sarabhai. The correct answer is C. Rakesh Sharma. 14. Where is the Charminar located? A. Hyderabad. B. Delhi. C. Agra. D. Lucknow. The correct answer is A. Hyderabad. 15. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? A. Babur. B. Akbar, C. Shah Jahan, D. Aurangzeb. The correct answer is C. Shah Jahan. 16. Which vitamin is produced in the skin by sunlight? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin D. The correct answer is D. Vitamin D. 17. What is the color of the Ashoka chakra on the Indian flag? A. Green, B. Saffron, C. Navy blue, D. Black. The correct answer is C. Navy blue. 18. Which city is famous for the Golden Temple? A. Amritsar, B. Varanasi, C. Chandigarh, D. Bhopal. The correct answer is A. Amritsar. 19. Which Indian city is known as the City of Lakes? A. Jaipur, B. Bhopal, C. Udaipur, D. Mysore. The correct answer is C. Udaipur. 20. What does www stand for in a website browser? A. World Web Window, B. World Wide Web, C. Web Wide World, D. Web World Wide. The correct answer is B. World Wide Web.